Wow, look, it's my iPod Nano. This is my favorite little music player and I always use this, and I've actually been putting a lot of music onto it. I've been listening to a lot of Pierce the Veil recently and adding some of their other songs. I'm not even gonna lie, I have been using this for my main source of music because I feel like having a device that has uninterrupted music is way better than having a streaming service yell at you to buy their premium subscription, because I really don't want to. I know nothing in life is free anymore, but just let me listen to my damn music. It's always so annoying when you are in the middle of listening to a very calm song and at the very end you're blasted with "Get Spotify Premium now! 30 minutes of uninterrupted music unless you pay for our premium subscription. We want money!" You know, it's stuff like that kind of makes me pretty upset. And that's what makes me appreciate iPods a lot, is that it's your own music that you own. You don't own any of the music that's on Spotify, and it can be taken away from you at any time. Meanwhile, if you load up any kind of audio or video file on this iPod, it'll stay on this iPod until the day it dies, which iPods are so damn reliable that it'll be a long time before that happens. Unless you got one with a mechanical drive, which those ones will die eventually. Here's an iPod 5th gen. This one is still going strong. It's actually Rockbox. I put some other music on it, and I also put a custom OS on it. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I thought it was pretty fun to do. But I love listening to music on this little thing. This is my favorite iPod ever. I've had this iPod for a year at this point. I can't believe I've had this for a year. This is my main iPod. I love this thing. Yeah, it only has a puny 8 gigabytes of storage, but I don't care. It's my child. I didn't realize that these songs were added to the On The Go playlist. It's actually really funny. It's because this is the main playlist that I listen to, all the time. This is what I use the iPod for, is to listen to all these songs. I've added some Green Day songs, some My Chemical Romance. I know it's the most basic songs to add, but you know, it's good songs. Okay, I know I've been yapping a lot about these songs, but their newest single, Pierce the Veil's newest single, really good. Please listen to it. It's actually fantastic. I would play it if it didn't get me copyrighted. I just love using iPods. I don't know what it is, but these little things are they're beautiful. Oh my god. I know we have smartphones and subscription services, but not everyone wants that. We want our own little separate device to listen to our freaking music. I'm probably going in circles and circles, but I'm just making a point. Not everyone needs a smartphone for their music. I will say one thing that kind of bothers me, and it's not even anyone's fault but mine, is my Bluetooth speaker has an aux port, right? You can plug in your device into it, but I don't have an aux to aux cable, so I can't plug in my iPod into the speaker, which sucks. I'm sad. And I'm not about to go full DankPods and just make a Bluetooth iPod. I don't want to do that. So I guess the only way to use this Bluetooth speaker for now is to actually connect it to a phone. No, but yeah, I love using iPods. They're absolutely fantastic. Especially this one right here. This is King Pod that I have right here. It is just the best little goober. I love using iPods. I think I even have that song on here. I do have the song on here. That's really funny. Well, that's just my video on iPods and why I still use them nowadays. It's not really a surprise that I still use iPods nowadays because I want to listen to my music uninterrupted. Okay, actually, before I end the video, I'm gonna say something that really pisses me off. If you do not have Spotify Premium, it will be default to shuffle and you cannot turn it off without buying premium. That pisses me the f off. That damn shuffle button is so annoying because you can't turn it off. And it's only on the mobile app too. If you listen on desktop, you can turn shuffle off. Great! On my desktop, I can turn shuffle off and listen to any song I want, but not when I'm on my phone on a walk or something. What if I don't want that song to play next? Oh, I guess it doesn't matter because it's shuffle only. Not to mention the number of songs you can skip without premium is also pretty annoying. Because it's on shuffle, there's gonna be a ton of songs that you don't want to listen to yet. And it's gonna be like, oh, you reached your maximum amount of skips for the day. Or for like however much time it is. Just let me play the damn song that I want! Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed and you want to see more, leave a like, maybe subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.